Lilac Way in Davenport, Florida. This is our Airbnb that we've rented the last 10 days. Let's take a little house tour. Another king.
How far up?
On a little drive so you guys can see the neighborhood that this was in. I think it's pretty much a rental community. I would not want to live here all the time with all the tourists. We're gonna drive by the clubhouse, which has mini golf, a lazy river, a zero entry pool, a hot tub, a couple big slides, a kid slide with a splash, little water park thing, I guess. And then there's a playground, which is turfed. It's really nice. A sand volleyball court. Has like a bar and grill, so you can get food up there. Mini golf. You can see the slides in the background. There's cabanas for rent. There's the clubhouse. There's a game room, and the games are free to play. And the bathrooms are really clean, which is such a bonus to me. Oh, we're gonna see the playground. Okay, here we go. There's some picnic tables, the playground. This is the Windsor Island Resort. Lots of great amenities, and I would say we're about 20 minutes from Disney. 20 to 30, 25 to 30. This property has 7 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. Look how cute the little entryway is. Plenty of storage if you need to pop stuff in there throughout the week. Here's our kitchen. It's so cute. Has all the amenities that we need, except a spatula, a glass measuring cup. There was something else though. Overall, it was a really great kitchen. Let's go see the rest of the house. Table for 8. And a sectional. I like that this room is all open where everybody can kind of gather together. Here's the TV, couple cutesy little chairs. We have no idea why this curtain is shorter than the rest of them, but we're just gonna go with it. Let's see the pool. Whoops.
It's locked.
It's locked.
The lock is very complicated.
Yeah, what do I do? Oh, there we go. Okay. Once again, another big table, seating for 8, couple lounge chairs, a grill. I think the grill is an additional cost, as well as to heat the pool. It did cost $65 a day to heat the pool, but it's November. It does have a security fence, which is awesome for kids. It's not a huge pool, but plenty big enough for like a private pool. Come check it out.
And a bowl. Privacy. Not so much.
No, we're right on the corner. It's probably like a 10-minute walk to the clubhouse.
Way to get your steps in. Random door.
It does have a closet over here that has like different types of coffee pots, a stroller, a Christmas tree. Okay.
Wait, for real?
Yeah, a fan, just some random extras.
We did not know about the
A
Keurig
broom until today.
until today.
Okay, then around the corner we have the first master bedroom. We did not perfectly make the bed, but has 2 nightstands, dresser, some hangers, a chair. And this
Also another fan.
And this bed was so comfortable. Here's the master Here's the master bathroom, toilet, double sinks. The only bathtub in the whole house, which is kind of shocking, but other than that, great. And this door leads to the outside patio. Okay, let's go see why we actually rented this house. Half bath, that's not why. There is a washer and dryer in here. I'm gonna close this.
Yeah, it's a little messy.
A little loud.
Not
Okay.
messy.
The garage is converted into a game room. Let's go see inside. Special effects. Check out these lights. They're so cool. Aww. Avengers.
So if you're into
Okay. And we'll leave those on. And here's the light. Air hockey. We have a couple little game systems in the corners. Pool table. Both these got a lot of love. A couch and then another TV. And then the decorations are so cute. This goes in the master. I don't know why it's in here. This room was well loved. Dun, 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 dun. That's Star Wars. Whoops.
wrong.
Okay, good night. Let's go upstairs and see the themed rooms for the kids.
The light fixture.
I'm convinced that people that have stairs in their house are healthier.
For sure.
See, I'm out of breath already. And this whole upstairs is the other reason we rented this house. Let's check it out. House, clubhouse, themed room. Maybe a little cheesy, but for Airbnb, so fun. We got a foosball table, another TV, these reclining couch seats, massagers, warm seats. They have like the cooling cup holders, like so fun, like a little fun bonus. All right, let's go see the second master bedroom, and then we'll get to the super fun kid rooms. This was my teenage daughter's room this week. This house would be so perfect if you need to share with like your parents, your in-laws, or another family. Another king bed. Also a crib, which is so great. It's like a little fancy theme. Super cute. Couple nightstands, dresser, like very spacious.
And the bed was so comfortable.
The bed was so comfy, she says. The bathroom.
What's
Cute
up?
little theme. And of course the shower and toilet.
Okay.
We gotta save electricity around here. All right, nobody slept in this bedroom, but
Because
our
it was the
boy-
least comfy.
It is so cute. Dad thought it was comfy.
We all thought it was awful and crinkly.
It is over the top, like theme, so cute. Pirates of the Caribbean. Come on in. Queen bed, 2 little nightstands. Check out all the super cute decorations. And once again, it has its own bathroom, sink,
It's
toilet.
the pirate
shower.
life for me. No, the filming life, you know?
All right, let's go. Let's go. We should have done this when we first arrived, but the issue was it was like 1 a.m. Okay, let's see the princess room. This has 2 twin beds. Also has the fun like LED lights. This room is super adorable.
So adorable.
We did use this bedroom. We actually only used 3 bedrooms per night based on sharing whatever. We have 7 people in our family. My 2 middle daughters, 10 and 5, moved around rooms, which was really fun all week. And another TV. That's always a bonus too if you are going to be here a while. It's like the Mickey bathroom. Hi. And another shower, which is great.
And the toilet, which was well loved.
And this was my 10-year-old's favorite room. She thought this bed was so comfortable. It's like a jungle theme, so it's not really a Disney theme. I guess you could say it's Animal Kingdom or whatever, but it's so adorable. I love the wallpaper, the little house bed, a slide, all the things. So cute. All right. But wait, there's more. Come this way. All right, here's another bathroom. Double sinks, shower. So great. Ooh, which bedroom should I show last? Let's show this one. And then I'll show the other one. This is the Star Wars bedroom. Like, awesome lights. Once again, look how fun those are. The theme, I mean, spot on. These beds are awesome. Nobody slept in here though. I put my boys' clothes in the dressers though. They're little, so they couldn't sleep up here by themselves. Big walk-in closet.
Lightsaber.
TV.
This thing is so out of place, though.
That's funny. All right. One last bedroom, and then we're off to our next adventure. And this was my 5-year-old daughter's favorite bedroom.
How far I'll go.
So cute. This one, it probably would have hit your leg if it was on that one, but this one has the little boat thing at the end, so the bed looks like a boat. The hula skirts around the room. Like, the themes in these bedrooms are so cute, so over the top. The flowers on the ceiling. It's just adorable.
Hey, hey.
Hi, hi, hi.
Hi, hi, hi.
Oh, lights.
Camera. Action.
And that was our Airbnb for the last 10 days. Let me know if you have questions about the price or about the house or the amenities. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Now we're off to our next adventure in Marco Island. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Go Martin family, and we'll catch you in the next one. Let's roll out.
Thanks for watching the Go Martin family.
Leave a comment where you want to see us go next. If you want to see more of our fun family adventures, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.